I was hiding out in North Carolina for the month of February while Chicago got pummeled by the snow. In that time, I decided to tackle the remaining rust on the truck bed. There were a few holes that needed patching after I replaced the old crossmember back in November. I started this project out by having fabricated little repair patches off camera and cleaning the surface areas that would need the welding. I am most certainly not a welder by any sense of the word, but each time I pick it back up, I do enjoy the therapy it provides. Both the border edges where the floor pan connects to the body were also chewed up with rust, so I needed to pull out those crusty bits this go around as well. In addition, I fabricated this panel bit that connects to the rear of the trunk bed to the crossmember. The left side was definitely the worst of the two, so I decided just to handle this one for the time being. After having done a fair amount of welding on the truck, I've come to find making your piece larger than your cutting area helps. From there, I place it over the cavity and mark out where I need to clean up so that my piece will fit. At the bottom of the tailgate where it closes, there is a tiny metal lip that holds the weather stripping bracket. If you look at it from above, you can notice that the bracket follows the curve along the profile of the tailgate. Again, my metalwork is not perfect, though what I lack in precision, I certainly make up with grinding wheels. Once I had everything in place, I used a number of different abrasives to clean the excess slag. Be sure to have some ear and eye protection handy for any of this kind of work. After I had all the metal sanded down, I set out to resealing the truck bed and the tailgate with a rust inhibitor. Pour 15 to be exact. And before I finish everything up, if you have any interest in helping to keep the channel going, feel free to check out my shop at workingaxle.shop. I've got a few items already, but I'm always looking for new inspiration to add to the swag. With all that said, this last project for the Rover was long overdue. I feel only that much closer to my goals having this part completed. It's certainly had its ups and downs to this point, but by and large, the project has given me so much more.